What if trust and connection are on the brink of being the next global mass movement? All around the world, people feel the loss of human resilience, especially women. At 24, terminally ill, mother of a 3-year-old child, I was unable to work or care for my family after we finished moving into our dream home. Alone and frail, I had hours to ask lots of questions. First, why? As I got weaker, I went deeper to ask, what's really going on here? As a result, I healed myself of inoperable secondary fertility and the systemic infection that was killing me, and went on to give birth to a second, that's just not possible, child. So how do you step into transformation? How about by asking, what's really going on here? And then listening with your body. What happens when you understand human design, energy precision, and listening? You now have the choice to act on information that is always available. Listening from a place of open-hearted presence opens the door to choices and actions, and not just yours, that can lead to the brilliant resilience and self-empowerment of your what if. So rather than ask why or why me, what if you dare to ask why not and why not me? My 9 essential questions method, 9EQ for short, began for me at 24, and it's now ready to share with you today. This proven method that clients and students have benefited from for decades is designed to bring focused energy precision to whatever you desire to transform, to a return to brilliant resilience and the experience of human design as wholeness.